another beautiful night in the Enchanted Forest, and the moon is shining bright in the sky. And where is everyone? Oh, we have a visitor in the Enchanted Forest. Hello, Sufia. I see that you're visiting. Hello. I'm speaking to my friend Aliza. Hi, Aliza. How are you doing? Where's everyone else? Let's take a look. Not seeing any of the other children in the Enchanted Forest. Oh, here's Sarah. Sarah, what are you up to today? Hello. I decided that I'll just look through the telescope tonight. And Mars, I see that you are talking to the good book fairy. How are you? I'm doing good. And good book fairy, do you have anything to say to Mars? Ah, I see. What is that you have got? Lots and lots of book. That's what? Oh, that's so lovely. We're so happy to see all your basket of books, Mars. The reading is a great, great thing for children to do. So, children, does anyone have any questions for me today? Yes, Dr. Hack. Why do you think I'm visiting the Enchanted Forest? Both me and Aliza have a question, and it's about Uranus. We want to know, why does Uranus spin on its side? And yes, Dr. Hack, I also want to know that if it's spinning on its side, is it daytime always on one side and nighttime always on the other side? Children, you have asked an excellent question, and it is very true that the planet Uranus, which is in our solar system, it spins on its side. So while other planets, I'll show you how others spin, Uranus is like rolling like a ball around our sun. Okay, so Uranus actually has rings. So instead of it being like this, like how Saturn might be, Uranus moves around the sun, rolling around like that, all right, on its side. And what that does, I'm going to show you some examples, right? So just pay attention. This is Earth. And when Earth spins, Earth is at a certain angle, right? That's what we mean. It's almost upright. Use this as an example. So most planets will spin like this, all of them. They might just be at a small angle. But Uranus, it spins like this on its side. So it rolls around the solar system like a ball. So Aliza, now your question. Guess what? Uranus takes 84 years to go right around the sun. And in that 21 years, it's facing the side with the sun. And then for another 21 years, it's dark on one side. So it all depends on where it is in its path around the sun in terms of if it's daylight for a long period or for a shorter period of about 17 hours. I hope that was not too difficult to understand. So what we're really saying is that it depends on where Uranus is as it goes around the sun in terms of how long. If you could stand, let's say if this was, because I can spin this like this, if you could stand up here and the sun was facing this way, was on this side, then for a long time, 21 years, you may have daylight. But it depends on where it is, because on another, if it is rolling like this, with the sun, then it will only take about 18 hours, roughly 17 to 18 hours facing the sun. So it depends, okay? So Sufia, thank you for coming. And how was that? Do you understand now? Yes, Dr. Hack, that helps me understand quite a lot more. But you still didn't explain one thing. And yes, you children wanted to know, why does Uranus spin on its side? Well, this is what astronomers think. What happened was that like all the planets, right? All the planets sort of spin upright like this. But then long ago, when the solar system was very young, you had a lot of things just crashing into each other, and something crashed into Uranus, and scientists think that, guess what it did? It tipped it on its side. So a big ball came and crashed, something like a big gigantic object hit Uranus and caused it to fall over on its side. You mean like when I push Mars down? No, Aliza, we must not push Mars down. Okay? Alright guys, so it's been a good night, and Sarah, we hope you enjoyed looking. What did you look at? Well, Dr. Hack, I now decided that I want to use my telescope to look at the planet Uranus. That's great. And Mars, well, I'm going to read one of the books in my basket. Good night, everybody. Good night.